The next question is 1011.111 into 2 की पावर 4 एक फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर दिया हुआ है और द फॉर्मेट इज गिवन अस 178 वेयर 1 लेंथ ऑफ साइन बिट इज 1, लेंथ ऑफ मॉडिफाइड एक्सपोनेंट इज 7 and length of mantissa is 8, and we have to solve that, convert this into normalized form and denormalized form using this format. Okay, so let's convert into normalized form, shifting point before after first one. So the point should be here. Okay, 1.0110 into, we have move 4 bit left, so the power will be 2 की power 8. Now bias, it is 7 bit, modified exponent is 7 bit, so 2 की power 7 minus 1 which is 2 की power 6 minus 1 which is 63. We have bias, we can calculate modified exponent. (63) plus 8 which is 71. Okay, so let's put the values here. Let's do it for this, then we will put values simultaneously. Now the decimal point in denormalized form is before first one, so 0.10111 into 2 की power 9. Bias will be same because the representation is same, but the format, this is normalized and this is normalized, so the representation is same, so bias will be same. So here modified exponent is 63 plus value of exponent 9 which is 72. Now it is a positive number, so it will be 0. Let me draw this for denormalized form also, 0. Now putting mantissa 1011011, it is 8 bit, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Same here, 0 1 1 0 1 0. Now it will be in 7 bit, so converting 71 which will be equals to, in 7 bit, let me directly write it so that we don't waste time. It is equals to 100 0 1 and this is 100 1 0. So we have converted this number into normalized format, and in denormalized form what we have done is taking the number in normalized form, the decimal point is after first one. In denormalized, the decimal point is before first one. We have done that. We know the length of modified exponent 7 bit. Using that we get the value of bias which is 63. Now using bias and exponent we get modified exponent. We have all the values, converted them into binary form and put into this form using the length of sine bit is 1, length of modified exponent is 7, and length of mantissa it is similarly this. So that's how we convert a number in floating point.